Today we are going to discuss about made of, made from. What is the difference between made of, made from? Now see explanation. Made of. Made of, where to use made of? Made of, where original material can still be seen or recognized in the finished product. Or made from where original material is transformed into something completely different and cannot be recognized. I mean to say, a product when you cannot recognize from where the product is made. Now see, example 1. The chair is made blank wood. Wood. Wood is wood. Here wood. Wood is still visible. Wood is visible. So, as wood is still visible in the chair, so here use made of. The original material wood is still be seen or recognized by the finished product chair. So here use made of. The chair is made of wood. Next, cheese. Here see milk. Cheese is made blank milk. Milk is changed into cheese. Milk is changed into cheese. So, original product not visible. Milk is not visible. Not visible, or not, you cannot see. Where to you cannot see? Cheese. When you see cheese, there you cannot see milk. Milk is transformed into cheese. So here you have to use made from. Cheese is made from milk. Next, the vase is made blank glass. Glass is visible material. Visible material. So the vase is made of glass. When you see a vase, there you see the glass and vase, there you can see the glass. So the original material can still be seen, the vase. So the vase is made of glass. Okay. Wine is made blank grapes. Here wine is finished product, and grapes are transformed into wine. So here grapes transformed. You cannot see grapes in wine. Invisible. Invisible. So wine is made from. Wine is made from grapes. My cake is blank flour. Here see a flour. My cake. Flour change completely when baking a cake. Completely changed, transformed. So finished product, when you see cake in the finished product, you cannot see flour. So my cake is made from. My cake is made from flour. Okay. Next one, paper. Paper is made blank wood. Wood is processed into paper and it's not recognizable. Wood, paper. Wood, invisible. Finished product, paper. Here you cannot see wood. So, here use from. Follow for more updates. Bright Mind English. Happy study. Keep learning. Keep growing.